In this video, we will learn how to divide the number 400 by 2 using the long division method. Consider the first digit 4. We know that 2 times 2 is 4. Subtract, we get a 0. As 0 is less than 2, so we need to bring down this number 0 here. See that this is still 0, so we can remove 1 0. As we have brought down the number 0, so we need to divide it. Now 2 times 0 is 0. Subtract, we get 0. Now 0 is less than 2. That is why we will bring down the next number 0 here. Again see that this is still 0. So we remove it. And we know that 2 times 0 is 0. Subtract, we get 0. As we have obtained the number 0 and there is no number to bring down here, so we will stop. Therefore, 400 divided by 2 is equal to 200. And this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and comment on the video. Also do subscribe the channel.